Well, I bought this smoker off of eBay, and it might be one of those times when you get what you pay for. But the material tore loose on the bellows. It looks like it just tore. I don't know if it got hot and weak or what. But anyway, I'm going to have to repair it. So first thing I got to do is get these staples out, and I've got an awl. I'm hoping to get up underneath these. Alright, so I got all those sides off, and this piece of plywood in particular is really shoddy. So I'm going to make new pieces of this. Right now what I'm doing is I'm taking off, because this part's in really good shape. It's just this part that didn't turn out so good. Alright, so I'm going to set my width just using this piece. Alright, I'm going to start by squaring both of them up. Alright, so we'll take this blank, and I think it's a 5/16 hole. I want it to be a snug fit, but I got to be able to get it in there. Alright, so these holes seem to be 3 3/4 and 2 1/4. Okay, so if that's like that, I want it on the other side. This is the other one, and it should be exactly the same. Alright, so here's the piece I took off, and I've just laid it on. This is some stuff I got at the fabric store. It's actually got some kind of furry stuff on the back, which probably isn't the best in the world, but it'll be airtight and some kind of upholstery material. And this thing's all jagged, so what I'm going to do is try to kind of pull it out straight, and then I'm just going to make some marks here. Alright, so we're going to start by reattaching this. Alright, now there was no glue or anything on here, and so I'm going to put some hot glue on here. Now, meaning, you know, this thing does have fire in it and gets kind of warm, so, you know, this hot glue might melt later, but it'll be better than nothing. And I'm not patient enough to wait for actual glue to dry. And it probably won't ever get that hot. There wasn't any glue at all in there to start with, so. Alright, I think I'm back in business. It's working good now. Now, to be honest, I don't know that that was worth doing. I think I could have bought another one for $20, but you know, it took me about 45 minutes, 45 minutes to do that. And, you know, I'm back working. The problem is I need it this afternoon, and it messed up this morning, so I didn't really have a choice. Fix it. Anyway, hope that was helpful or at least interesting to somebody. Thank you for watching.